Student, today's chapter from Commerce, Financial Market 1. From the Unit 2nd, Financial Market 1, we are going to see about the chapter name, Money Market. From the Money Market, so we are going to see meaning and definition of money market, characteristics, the difference between capital market and money market, participants in money market instruments that are treasury bills, certificate of deposit and commercial bills. These are the main content of this lessons. Now we are going to see about the topic. Money market. Money market is a market for purely short-term funds that can be easily converted into cash within 1 year. So it deals with the financial assets and securities. Those maturity period does not exceed 1 year. Then meaning and definitions. Money market is a segment of financial market wherein financial instruments have maturities of less than 1 year are traded. Example, treasury bill, commercial bill, certificate of deposits and government securities. According to Crowther, the money market is the collective name given to the various firms and institutions that deal in the various grades of near money. So these are the definitions of money market. Money market is the collective name given to the various firms and institutions that deals in the various grades of near money. The next heading is objectives of money market. There are three main objectives are given. First one, providing an equilibrium mechanism for introducing short-term and surplus deficits. Then providing a focal point. Focal point means a central point for central bank intervention. Then providing access and users to users of short-term money to meet their requirements. The next heading is characteristics. Short-term fund. It is a market purely for short-term fund. Then maturity period is up to 1 year. Conversion of cash. They are easily converted into cash without any loss with minimum period. Then no formal place. Generally transaction take place through phone. That is oral communications. So there is no relevant formal place like stock exchange as in the case of the capital market. Then sub-markets. It comprises of several sub-market, each specializing in a particular type of financing. Example, call money market, acceptance market and bill market. Then role of market. The components of money market are the central bank, commercial bank and non-banking financial companies. Commercial banks generally play a dominant role in the market. Then highly organized banking system. The commercial banks are the nerve center of the whole money market. Then existence of secondary market. There should be an active secondary market in the instruments. Then demand and supply of fund. There should be a large demand and supply of short-term funds. Then wholesale market. The wholesale market and the volume of fund or financial asset are traded in the market are very large. Then flexibility. Due to greater flexibility in the regulatory framework, there are constant endeavors for introducing new instruments. So flexibility means the assets, the securities can be easily convertible. So the new instruments can be introducing easily. Then presence of a central bank. The central bank keep their cash reserves and provides some financial accommodation in difficulties by discounting their eligible securities. The commercial bank keep their deposits in the Reserve Bank of India. At the same time, if needy, the central bank will provide fund to the commercial bank. So presence of the central bank is very essential. So these are the characteristics of money market. The next heading is the difference between money market and capital market. Fifth chapter is studied about the capital market. In this chapter, sixth chapter, we are studying money market. The main difference, capital market for long-term funds. Money market for short-term funds. Capital markets more than 1 year. Money market traded less than 1 year or within 1 year. That is the main difference. Examples: money market, treasury bills, commercial deposits. But money market, shares and debentures. So these are the main important thing about money market and capital market. Money market for short-term funds, the period is up to 1 year. They are traded commercial bills and certificate of deposits. But capital markets for long-term funds exceeding a period of 1 year, shares and debentures. It deals with the instrument commercial bills. Here shares and debentures. In the money value, each single money market instrument is a large, but each single capital amount is very less. For example, if the share of the value sub divided into rupees 10, each debentures value is rupees 10. Then role of institution, the commercial bank and central bank are the major institution of money market. Development banks and the insurance companies play a dominant role in the capital market. Availability of instrument. Money market instruments generally do not have secondary market. But capital market instruments generally have secondary market. Subdivisions. In money market, there is no such subdivision. But in the capital market, there is a lot of subdivisions, namely primary market and secondary market. Place of transaction. For money market, transaction mostly take place over the phone. But here the transaction take place at formal place like stock exchange. Then participants. The transactions have to be conducted without the help of brokers. But in the capital market, the transactions are take place with the help of authorized dealers, brokers, investors, underwriters and commercial banks. The number of instrument of dealt. Interbank call money, short-term deposits, 91 days treasury bills, 182 days treasury bills and commercial paper. Here, no, the number of instruments in capital market is very few. That is shares and debentures, we already saw that. Then claims, financial claims, assets and securities are dealt in the money market. Bonds, shares are dealt in the capital market. Then risk, very less risk in the money market. Risk is high in the capital market because they are dealt in the long-term fund. Then liquidity, high liquidity in the money market, low liquidity in the capital market. And then price discovery, no price discovery mechanism exists in the market. And price discovery mechanism exists in the capital market. The next heading is regulator. Central bank is the regulator of money market. Besides central bank, special regulatory authority like SEBI, etc. SEBI is nothing but Stock Exchange Board of India. Then underwriting. Underwriting is not a primary functions, but underwriting is a primary functions for capital market. Then dominant institutions. Commercial banks are the dominant institutions. Non-banking financial companies and special financial institutions are the participants of dominant institutions of capital markets. These are the difference between money market and capital market. So money market is a market for short-term fund within 1 year, treasury bills, commercial bills, etc. But capital market is a market for long-term financial institution. Their period exceeds more than 1 year. Example, shares and debentures.